Hi friends, welcome back to our JavaScript for front-end development. And this is Lokesh Gorantla, and today we are going to learn about the functions. Okay, if you see my previous video session, we learn about the loops and understand how to repeat that code effectively. Okay, this we have seen in the previous video. If you are not seen the loops, please check that previous video. You can able to learn the loops. Okay, then you can come back to that. Functions in this video. Okay, we learn about this for like how we can able to use functions. Okay, functions is basically a function allows us to write a block of code once and use it whenever we need it. Okay, function we can able to create a block of code and we can keep it anywhere and we can able to use for whenever we need it. Okay, the function makes the coding like a reusable and organized and easier to maintain and easier to debug. Okay, these are the things we can able to use the function. Okay, and what is function first? What is a function? Function is a reusable block. Okay, the block of code once and you can keep it one place and you can able to use anywhere. Okay, the simple like a when you pass something a button like the button if you click make hot water, there is a button. Okay, you can click that button, it will make the hot water. If you want to Nescafe coffee, the button you can click that button will be prepare the Nescafe coffee. Like that it will be does that. Okay, the simplest way you can able to create the function and you can able to use it. How you can able to declare the function syntax? Okay, syntax wise you can see simple function and the space and function name. Okay, this is the simplest way we can able to declare the function. And whenever you want to call the function, the directly you can able to create the function name and you can print the code. Okay, it will execute the code. We can see simplest example. Simple example we can create tc09 functions.html. Okay, copying and pasting here. Now I'm creating a function. Wait. Okay, this is a function creation we have seen in the syntax wise. Okay, this is a syntax wise we can able to create the function, right? Now this particular function we need to print anything. Okay, this is the simplest function. Just I'm printing for console.log and then I'm printing for inside welcome to JavaScript. Okay, this is my function. Okay, this is my simplest function. Now that particular function I need to write, right? How you can able to do that? You can call that down directly function. Okay, now I'm opening the project. Oh, file name is wrong. Now inspecting the element in a console location. See, welcome to JavaScript. Okay, this way we can able to call the simplest way of function. Okay, there are different ways of creation of the function and accessing that particular function. Okay, and here the first step we are going to create the function and calling the function. Okay, then that automatically it will execute the code and it will give you for the result. In case if you want to display that welcome message in multiple times, you can able to call this particular function multiple times like this. Say, and if you run, see, three times it is called. Okay, this way we can able to call for multiple times. The simplest one function we can able to create. To create the console.log three times, we can able to create inside the function and we can call it for three times that function name. Automatically to call for multiple time. Okay, this is the one more approach. This is simplest function. And second one, the function with the parameters. How it will be? The syntax wise, same. Okay, the function wise same, and just we can define the parameter. The name is a parameter. You can pass the parameter automatically it will take. Okay, how you can able to pass this one? Now the same function, but I'm going to mention for the parameter. Okay, that function I'm going to welcome to JavaScript, right? Welcome to, I'll mention plus name of the parameter. Okay, then this particular things I'm going to call like a grades and I'm specifying like location. Okay, now saved and I'll go ahead here and I'll refresh. See, it is comes, but it is undefined, it is defining because here what will happen? Twice it is called, right? Twice because here only one time we mentioned, but it's still two times because the name is same. Okay, name is same, but it is taking as a parameter. Due to that, it is taking like that. But instead of that, we can able to call it as a each one. Okay, then you can able to see refresh. Now you can see welcome to JavaScript and welcome to location. These are same, but don't create the same function name same. See in a Java in development, if you create the same function method, but if you use for different parameter, it will allow. But here it will not allow. It will take as a same. Okay, how many times you want to call, that many times you can able to call this function. Now if I make it here was another name, see, like this you can able to call multiple. This is a parameter. You can pass the parameter, you can able to call the function. And also a function can get for multiple parameters. Multiple parameters. Same function, but it will be a multiple. Name, comma, course. Okay. Like this, you can able to call for multiple. Okay. How we can able to create. Now, multiple function, and then I'm going to use for student info, and I'm mentioning for the name and course. Okay. And the curly brace. For this, it is required to make that console.log. Okay, first I'll make it as a name of the student plus I'm going to make the name. Okay, same time I can copy this plus symbol, it will use as a concatenation. Okay, course course. Okay, Now I'll call it for this particular function student info, and then I'll mention for location, comma, and then I'll mention for JavaScript. Okay. Now if I run again, see name as a location, course as a JavaScript. Like this, we can able to call. Okay. This function can accept for multiple parameters. Is this we if without passing means how it will be work? Now I'll not pass for JavaScript. I'll pass it like this. See undefined because it take as a undefined. Okay. Now this is the one format, right? Now second function category, return statement. Return statement. How return statement works? It's like our function only display the output, but sometimes we want to function to send some value back. If you want to send something value return to that particular one, then you can able to use a return functions. How it works? Inside that we can able to mention for return type name plus course like this. Okay, this will return for the particular function return values. Okay, mostly we can able to use some API list of value returning type or some addition type calculation for adding two items or multiplication doing that. This particular time we can able to use this return statements. Okay, how we can able to use that particular return statements. Okay, the function I'm going to define and I'm mentioning for the add a comma b. Okay, now this is my function. I'm going to use for return a plus b, a plus b. This will return a value of that. Okay, now we can able to directly console dot log add 5 comma 9. Okay, see here 14. Even if you want a meaningful name, then you can able to use plus symbol addition. Okay, save it. Now you can say addition value become that one. Okay, it will take that. Even if you want to make some variable to create and access that particular value, yes, you can able to do. Let result equal to add 5 comma 8. Okay, console.log and then variable results plus result. Okay, if I save and if I do, see, like this we can able to print. Even you can able to take the variable from the return type of value and then you can directly print. These are the two options you can able to do. Okay, if something you want to do multiplication, yes, you can able to do the calculation the same format, but here in a place you have to use for multiplication symbol. Okay, this is the one kind of. And another thing like any function can able to return any value, and even you can able to use the function directly also. Okay, how we can able to see the function expression, we can call it as a function expression. The function can store in a variable. Okay, we can able to store the function inside a variable also. How? I'm going to use for two and then I'm going to create a function. Okay, this is my function and this function can able to store like hello student. Okay, if I print or if I use the greets calling, I can see directly it is shown. We can store the function inside a variable also. This is the best way. You can also style frequently modern functions and everything. You can able to use it. Okay. Why these functions are more important? Why functions are important? Because some e-commerce application or somewhere, okay, the task says that calculate price or validate login page or add products, remove products. This all the time like each task can be placed inside a separate function. The calculation you can create one function, login purpose you can create one function, add products you can create and remove. Okay, this is a separate function you can. What is the benefit of this? If you create that all the things, what is the benefits? Benefits wise, if you say the clear code, okay, where exactly the code is presented. This is easy to understand where it is coming. Okay, easy to maintain. Maintenance is very easy and better readability and less duplicate duplication code. Okay, these are the things benefits you can able to get it. Okay, and what is the assignment now? For assignment of the functions is basically create a grade calculate functions. Okay, the requirement to create a function for a calculating the grade. Okay, grade of the marks. The rule is when is 90, then provide for A plus. If it is 75 provide for A, and 60 you can provide for B, and if it is 35 or below of 60 provide for C. Okay, below of 35 then make it as a fail, and you can create one function with a different marks to display the results. Okay, how you can able to create the function and everything you can. In case if you are not able to do, uh, comment on this video, I will help you for that as well. Okay, this is all about for the functions. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.